Hello friends, so today I am going to start rapid revision course of rapid revision series of chemistry. So first chapter I am taking is redox reaction. In this chapter I will discuss some of the important points which are very much important for NEET and JEE purpose. So first point is valency. So valency is nothing but a number. It is nothing but a number to which no sign is attached, no positive negative sign is attached. It can never be zero, or it is also not fractional. Second is oxidation number. Second number is oxidation number. It can be anything. It can be positive, negative, it can be positive, negative, zero, or also it can be fractional. Okay, third thing which is we have to remember is the oxidation number of metal, oxidation state of metal in amalgams and in metal carbonyls like Ni in metal carbonyls is 0. The oxidation number of metal in metal carbonyls and sodium amalgam is 0. Okay, so fourth point I am taking some reactions which we have to learn, which are important for in the redox reaction chapter. First reaction I2 plus HNO3 gives us HiO3 plus NO2 plus water. So I am discussing this reaction. Here nitrogen is in +5 oxidation, I2 is in 0 oxidation state. Here HiO3 acts as oxidizing agent. It will oxidize I2 into HiO3, and I2 get convert into 0 to +5 oxidation state. So it is getting oxidized, and itself it is getting reduced to +5 to +4. That is, nitrogen is getting reduced from +5 to +4 oxidation state. This one is first reaction. Second reaction we have here is Br2 plus H2S. Here Br2 acts as oxidizing agent and oxidizes S minus into S. Here sulfur is 0 oxidation state plus HBr. Third one is KMnO4 plus H2SO4 plus HNO2 gives us K2SO4 plus MnSO4 HNO3 plus water. So what is happening here? Carefully look at here. +5 oxidation state. Here we have +3 oxidation state. Here we have +2 oxidation state. Here we have +5 oxidation state. In KMnO4, Mn is in +7 oxidation state and is getting reduced to +2 oxidation. Means it is getting reduced, means it acts as oxidizing agent and oxidizes +3 nitrogen into +5 nitrogen. Okay, so fourth reaction we have is HNO2 plus Hi converting into HNO plus I2 plus water. Here what is happening? Nitrogen is in +3 oxidation state and I is in minus oxidation state. So nitrogen is getting reduced to +2 oxidation state from +3, and so it is acting as oxidizing agent and oxidizes I minus into I0. Okay, so this is all about the reactions. Now the fifth point, which is very important for NEET. Okay, so what is this point? Sometime what happen in a compound, 2 or more atom of same element are present, and it is not necessary that each atom is having same oxidation state. I have some example of this point. First example is Na2S2O3. Here 2 sulfur are present, but the oxidation state of both the sulfur is not same. Here so oxidation state of one sulfur is -2 and of another one is +6. Second example I have is CaOCl2, that is bleaching powder. bleaching powder we have, that is CaOCl and Cl. Here one Cl is -1, another one is +1, oxidation state. Third one we have is example Fe3O, mixed oxide, that is FeO Fe2O3, plus 2 oxidation state and plus 3 oxidation state. Fourth one example we have NH4NO3. Here we have NH4 plus NO3 minus, here plus -3 and here plus 5. Nitrogen oxidation state of nitrogen in NH4 plus is -3 and in NO3 minus is plus 5. That means in NH4 NO3 the oxidation state of nitrogen is not same of both the nitrogen, it is different. Fifth one we have very important and is given in NCERT Na2S4O6, that is sodium tetrahydrothionate. So sodium tetrahydrothionate, sulfur, this is what structure is. These two which are star mark are 0 oxidation state, and this one is +5 oxidation state, this one is +5 oxidation state. So thank you.